If you've ever been to a farmer's market in Jersey, they have apple cider slush, which is just frozen apple cider. It is so good, it's slushy, and it is amazing. My name is Courtney, welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. Now we're using fresh apple cider. I got this at my local farm and I am using 48 ounces. That is the max fill for the GreenPan Frost. So I am seeing how well it does when it's filled completely, because when I made ice cream, it was kind of under the 48 ounces and I really wanted to see if it would slosh out or anything. And I will say the cover does help with this recipe. It had a little bit of the liquid on the top of it, nothing crazy. It actually did what it needed to do. So we're filling it up to the 48 ounce mark and I am just putting on the machine now, selecting slushy, and I'm going for a level 4. Again, if you want it more slushy, I think level 4 was perfect. You can go a little higher. My son noticed it was going a little fast after a while and then it started to slow down. As soon as it gets those ice crystals and the sugar crystals going, it will start slowing down just a little bit, and you could see it's a little fast, but it's still not as fast as it was in the beginning. And it's starting to form those nice ice crystals. When it's ready, it's going to say cool, it'll beep and then say cool, and then it's going to keep it cool the entire time. My son and daughter love using this machine, and as you can see, my son was a little nervous and he got a little bit of an overflow. So that is why the drip tray is great to have, and it did its job a little bit. We missed a tiny smidge. I did not notice any leaking when I made the apple cider slush, just some from when you push it out and there's a little bit of the slush inside, so it was not from the outside. Now you can enjoy this with a spoon or a straw. My son loves to eat it with a spoon, and there will be a little bit of drippage, but it is totally fine. It's super easy to use and easy to control, and this is it. That is beautiful. Slushy texture is incredible. It takes about 35 to 40 minutes for me. I did apple cider just straight from my farmer's market. This is so refreshing. You could use a straw. The texture on the slushy is incredible. I just dropped some, but the texture is incredible. You can eat it with a spoon or a straw, and I've had this out for like 10 minutes already and it's not even separated. And if it does separate a little bit, you can just mix it right up with a straw or a spoon. So refreshing. I love this for the summer, the fall months, when you can get fresh apple cider or make it yourself. I think you guys are going to enjoy this recipe. We used our GreenPan Frost, which I am loving. Stay tuned because we'll be making more things in the Frost soon. If you have anything you want us to try, let me know in the comments below. Next, I think I'll be doing some strawberry ice cream. I got some beautiful strawberries at the supermarket and they are ready for some ice cream. I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and bye-bye.